What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good today. Today, another beautiful day. Before I even start, I just want to say thank you guys for the support, right? As always. Thank God to be in this position. I'm very, very grateful to have, daily payouts, everything. It's just crazy to think. I mean, you guys don't know, but I barely had any money left, and right now I'm up 10.5K in payouts already. This week alone. What can I say? Just put in the work, do everything that you can, and you'll get results. So, if you guys enjoy, subscribe. Hopefully, we hit 100 subscribers soon. I'm doing my best with the videos, but they barely get any views. That's whatever, right? Soon, the videos will be better. They'll be like vlog style and stuff. But for now, we will just keep stacking up. Anyway, so yesterday's payout already came through. 1.2k CAD already in the bank. Today, bang, around 900 and some change on every single account. What can I say? So let's see today's payout, how it's going to be looking like. So we have 960, 960, 960 plus 936 plus 936 plus 936 plus 936. That's 4.7 USD minus the 20% fee. Honestly, I don't know if I don't think they're gonna move me live yet, because it is on one account, when I request a payout. So I think I'm still good. But when they move me to live, I'll get 10% only, so that's gonna be nice. Anyway, 3.76, 3.76. That's around 5k CAD. Very nice. So yeah, today we had no news after 8:30, but we had 8:30. And yeah, let's get the recaps going. So let's start. We had London High right there. I'll just mark them as is for now. We had Asia High, London Low, Asia Low. What else can I see? We have previous day high right there. I'll remove it for now. Now, on the chart, what can I see right away? Let's go into replay. Already, what can I see? Well, we have an unfilled 1 hour fair value gap right there. Perfect. So I'll just mark it to keep it in mind. So as of right now, what I'm leaning more, where I am leaning more for my bias. Well, I can see that bullish fair value gaps are getting respected. So most likely today we'll be looking for longs. Let's go on the 15-minute. All right. 5-minute. Now on the 15, let's go on the 15. If we can make our fair value gap more precise, we'll make it. So bang, bang. What else can I see right there? Probably bang, bang. Perfect. 5 minutes, same thing. Right there, right there. It's not gonna matter. All right, let's go on the 1 minute. So like always, let's wait for market open. Then we can start building our context. But for now, let's skip all the way to 940. So yeah, in tomorrow's video, I'll show you guys the proof for the payout again, like always. So yeah, we just have to wait till Take Profit updates the dashboard. So 34, 35, whoops. All right, whatever. So coming into market, what can I see? market open. Now I don't know what the zones are since, okay. Coming into market, we went down to Asia high. Then what? We swept it, then reversed up. Perfect. Then what? 940, we came back, created this fair value gap right there, this fair value gap right there, and we keep going down, right? So let's wait for macro to see what's gonna happen. As of right now, if let's say macro starts here, I'd be looking for a short targeting this sell side or this low, right? Let's keep on going. All right, we went through this. So this fair value gap on the higher time frame is invalid for now. Let's remove it. And even this line, we can remove it. Perfect. This fair value gap at 943 already got filled. So like I said, if we were in macro, I would have probably took this for a short. Let's keep going. 945. What can I see 945? We went all the way down to London low. Now, yes, we didn't sweep it, but why? Well, higher time frame. Higher time frame, we have this 15-minute fair value gap / 1 hour, you know. Perfect. So let's see. Technically, if we respect this fair value gap and go above, technically now we'll be in a reversal looking for longs, right? And at the beginning, my bias was bullish. So let's keep going. Bang, 946. 946, not only we went all the way down to this fair value gap, but we closed above. This fair value gap is confirmed. This higher time frame fair value gap. Bang, we can enter. Now, I don't remember how much point I had. I have to go check. I think it was 80. Yeah, 80 for 160, if I remember right. I posted a short. If you guys didn't check it out, go check it out. Bang. Perfect. My entry is right there. Now, we just wait. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. 3 minutes later, guys. Full TP. Everything is recorded. You can go check the short. 3 minutes later, bang, full TP. I'm up 900 and some change on every single account. And that was a beautiful trade. Now today was not the usual, 1 minute fair value gap. We had to look on the higher time frame. We had this fair value gap right there. Perfect. It's aligned with London low. Normally, what we like to see is a nice sweep, no candles like that. But for this specific day, we had this fair value gap right underneath London. It's aligned with my context. Bang, I took the trade. We went all the way up to this 1 minute fair value gap that I marked, and then what? We went back down and then back up. We swept this buy side. Anyway, I already got my 1 to 2. That's what mattered. Now, let's go back to replay. So what can I see? Remember, we had a line right there. So let's just, all right. But let's see if I can do it like that. Market open. All right. Anyways, just to get the picture. So that's how it's looking like. We have buy side. We have 1 minute fair value gaps, but already went through at 943. We swept all the way down and we respected this fair value gap. What is price most likely to do? Here we have a fair value gap, right? Not only that, we respected it. So bang, we went like that. Then what? Perfect. Our entry is right there. Beautiful. So as simple as that. As simple as that. So if you guys enjoyed, like always, just subscribe, like. It would mean a lot for me. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully tomorrow, and yeah, I was risking 500 today. I forgot to say it. I was risking 500. Now, what's my game plan, right? Let me go to my calculator. So we know my buffer is 1.5k, right? So what I'm thinking is, now once I'm above the buffer and I'm requesting daily, I'm just gonna keep risking 500. But let's say the 500 I lose. So let's say, for example, tomorrow I lose. I'm down 500, so I only have 1k left. From there, the 1k left, I'll only risk 250. So this allows me to still have 5 consecutive L's to even blow the account, which doesn't even really matter. But yeah, why does it matter? It costed me 600, 700 something, right, dollars, and I'm already up 10k from this. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.